If anything in this particular series that you're going to listen to me at this moment is that your bind off has to be a relaxed bind off. If you're too tight, it's impossible to get your crochet hook back into that space. And in an entrelac, we're going to need back into that space into the future. So you're going to start off by just coming into your very first vertical. And you're going to yarn over, pulling it through that vertical, but we're no longer going to save it. We're also going to pull it through the other loop that's on there. So it finishes off and makes a nice finish at the top. So you're going to come in to the next vertical, yarn over, pull through and through. So you just want to be nice and loose about it. If it's too tight, it'll be a problem. You'll learn pretty quick if that's happening to you. And you won't see it at this particular moment, but when you have to use that edge in the future and you're struggling, then it's going to become a problem. And your very last one is going to be the side where that chain one is, and yarning over through, and you're technically done. So you would actually then at this point cut your yarn and you'll weave it in at a different time. So this would be then complete. So what we want to do is move on in this series, and we want to cover what is warped entrelac, and then I'm going to take you through a real sample, and that will be following in the last half of this course today.